In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a .mov using a write node. We'll start by adding the tool that actually writes your render to disk. In your node graph, press the tab key, type write, and hit enter. That creates a write node, which is the output stage for your composite. Think of it as the final gateway where you define where the file goes and how it's encoded. Next, connect that write node to the very end of your node tree. You want it attached to the final node in your flow, the one that represents the finished image you're ready to export. If you have multiple branches, make sure you're connecting to the branch that reflects the exact result you want to deliver. Open the write node's properties and set your file path. Choose a folder you have permission to write to and type a file name that ends with .mov. Including the .move extension is important because it tells the software to prepare a QuickTime movie container. A clear versioned file name helps you stay organized, especially if you're rendering multiple iterations. In the file type or format dropdown, select Move, often labeled as QuickTime. This ensures the container matches your .move extension and avoids mismatches between the file name and the actual file format. Now, pick a codec that suits your needs. Apple ProRes is a great balance of quality and file size for editorial and delivery. DNxHD is ideal if you're targeting Avid-based pipelines. Animation provides near lossless quality, but results in very large files. Choose based on your workflow, client requirements, and storage constraints. If you're unsure, ProRes is a reliable default for many scenarios. Before you render, confirm the frame range. Make sure it matches your timeline or your intended output window. If your project timeline is, say, 1001 to 1100, set the write node to render that exact range. This avoids accidental partial renders or extra frames you didn't intend to include. When everything looks good, go to the top menu and choose